Welcome to TMB Designs. Today we are going on a spring home tour. Theme for the season, peaches and cream. And upon arrival, you are greeted by this beautiful custom DIY initial wreath that I made for you guys in a previous video. You see here these beautiful vibrant colors that scream spring and are so inviting. So let's go in and see what awaits behind this beautiful adorned door. Upon entering, you're greeted with a sophisticated palette of champagne gold, Tiffany blue, a vibrant peach, and a subtle calming cream. I felt these combinations would be so perfect for the spring season. I kept my palette neutral, giving the peach a chance to shine center stage in the space. You see splashes of the peach in our coffee table areas as well as our end table areas. Here, this beautiful wall collage is from my hubby and I's wedding photo shoot, and I wanted to give them a very special place and a very special presence. So I did a DIY with some mirrored picture frames I picked up from Hobby Lobby, printed some frames off in black and white, and voila. They are the perfect addition to this space. Everything in the room just complements each other so well. Nothing can adorn or change the look of a space like your accessories. And here I chose to add some beautiful, sophisticated pieces. This is a signature frame picture of mine, and I wanted to just give it all a nice splash of glam. So I chose these beautiful pillows from Z Gallery. They are absolutely stunning. They complement the room and they pick up all the colors in the space. The attention to detail here was not spared at all. They are so glam and beautiful. That cream color throw just adds that certain softness that was needed in the space. Now on my coffee table, you guys, I wanted to give it a wow factor, but at the same time keep it somewhat subtle so that every piece has its time to shine. This beautiful candlestick collection was a flea market find, and I dressed them up with those candles from Ross Home Stores. My beautiful champagne bowl was from Home Goods, and inside are these beautiful glitter eggs from Walmart. You guys saw me do this beautiful centerpiece on a previous video. It is dressed in this gorgeous apothecary jar. Everything, you guys, complements this space so well. Look at the attention to detail in these pillows. The small pillows are from Home Goods. The fur pillows are from Burlington. And again, my Z Gallery, fabulous buy. I absolutely love the combination here. It all screams sophisticated spring. Moving over into our dining room that is adjacent from our formal living space. This was actually the space that started it all. It gave birth to the whole peaches and cream theme. I shopped my home to create this beautiful tablescape that was also featured in a spring collaboration in a previous video. I love the sophisticated palette that it gives, and it is absolutely stunning, you guys, with these beautiful napkin rings from Totally Dazzled. I have a mixture of highs and lows. My water goblets was a flea market find, and my wine glasses were from Dollar Tree and Home Goods. But to me, you guys, the cherry on top is this beautiful centerpiece that I created. It also mimics the one in my living room. They are all created from repurposed flowers from my wedding, so they have a very, very special place in my heart. But I love the fact that I shopped my home to create this sophisticated palette. Moving over to my buffet table, this too, you guys, is a collection of spring collaboration in previous videos. I have here these beautiful candlesticks that are adorned for a DIY spring collaboration, as well as this cloche that was part of another collaboration for spring. So everything here is just a collection of beauty and glam, keeping with that peaches and cream theme. These candlesticks are from Kirkland's. Candles purchased from Hobby Lobby and adorned with Totally Dazzled brooches. No attention was spared of detail here. I used my apothecary jar, filled them with, you guessed it, Christmas ornaments, and this mercury glass finial ornament was a perfect addition and complement to my lamp. Giving the lamp that extra glam, I added these beautiful tassels from Ross Home Stores. Just continuing to build the palette of sophistication in this space. Even the mirror, you guys, received a little bit of a glam over. You see here how it complements the champagne color so perfectly. I absolutely love the results. This table runner, you guys, is from Pier 1. The cake stand is from Home Goods. In my kitchen, I also wanted to add a little touch of spring, and these towels, you guys, are my favorite piece in the space. I love what they say. What I love most about my home is who I share it with, and that could not be more true. I absolutely love them. I always adorn my KitchenAid mixer with a towel for the season, so this was a perfect addition. As well as my teapot, which was a wedding gift, another towel to adorn my stove. And everything just complements so well. That's another beautiful wedding gift that I had to showcase somewhere in the home. My canister set, spoon rest, and cake spade toaster complete this space. On this side, I gave my coffee station a makeover. I wanted to showcase my beautiful coffee cup collection, and for that added splash of elegance, I adorned them with these gold spoons that picks up the gold detail in each cup. Keeping the basics out, it completes my coffee station setup. Absolutely stunning in this space. Here, you guys, I think this is one of the cutest little vignettes I've ever created. These beautiful rabbits sit center stage on top of my candle and window banister. Just added that extra detail to my stationery soap and lotion setup. So cute. I also added this beautiful collection of apothecary jars with some spring goodies of jelly beans, chocolate covered pretzels, and Snickers that we can hardly keep stocked, but they still look fabulous.